Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making the barbecue fish. Guys, I have a lot of fish today because I'm actually going for delivery. I'm going to deliver this to a client, so I have about 15 fishes there. Wash it thoroughly, get your pepper, your fresh pepper and your dry pepper, your ginger, your garlic. As you can see in this video, I already prepped my pepper, prep my ginger and the garlic, and make sure the fish is dry. This is me placing the fish in this basket so it can dry properly. Go in and ground your pepper. Make sure the pepper is not so well blended so to achieve the mixture you want. Make sure there is no onions in this pepper you're blending. So after blending, transfer into a pot, or a bowl. Yes, in a pot. Then cook it. Add your seasoning cube, your salt, and then cook on a very low. Make sure you taste. Ensure it's well tasted, well spiced.
It's on light now.
On a very low heat. Cook your pepper to done on before.
So when the tea that starts tap for.
So this, aside from that pepper you cook, set aside some pepper you're going to use in prepping your fish. Rub this pepper on the fish of the body until it is well circulated. Do this for all the fishes you want to use. As you can see here, this is all the fishes. I have more. This is about 6 on this tray or 5 on this tray, and I'm going to be doing 15. You can see, be generous with your pepper combo. In this pepper, don't forget I have pepper, dry pepper, ginger and garlic. Place it with your white pepper in the pan and put it in your oven. Cook on a low heat to ensure that it's well done before it starts getting burnt. As you can see my light, I make sure my light is not so much so that the fish is well done and it's not getting burnt. So here I cover my cooker and let the fish steam for some time. Here the fish is steaming until it is ready. And guys, guess what? This is the end result of my beautiful barbecue homemade fish. We'll pair this with some Hollandia yogurt, and guys, this was very delicious. If you love my videos and want to see more of my content, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos on how to cook, on how to grow your YouTube channel, and more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.